Hello traders, Jai Shri Shyam. Welcome back to Banyagi Trades, and today is 31st of October, and I'm going to show you like what strategy I used, how I used Tradefinder today. It basically gave me a profit or loss because this is my third day. If you haven't seen the videos, right? So you can go. This is the first day where I took a profit of around 6,000. Here only I showed that day before that day I took a profit of around 5,000 something, 4,000, 5,000 something. And yesterday we made around 600 because it was kind of expected as a red day, but somehow we ended up at green without any over trading, any events trading, just a pure simple process which has to be followed if you want to be a trader, right? So today is day 3, and I'll show you which stock I traded, what my bias was, like market bias was. So let's go to this trade finder first. एंड मल्टीपल पीपल कमेंटेड कि भाई ये बताओ कि स्ट्रैटेजी क्या यूज करते हो, लाइव में ट्रेड लेके दिखाओ. सी व्हाट्स द थिंग इज, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू record live clearly, but yeah, I'll try to do that on coming basis, maybe somehow later on, like after a month or day, after 2 months, maybe, not very sure. So see, the point is, if you understood ki what I am trying to do, how I am taking a trade, how my logic is, so it's very simple to you guys as well to take the trade and earn the profit. Right. So today, if you see, the bias was a positive side for me, but the market showed the red side more as compared to positive side. So if you see the sector scope, this is the sector scope where if you see like these are the charts, or basically I'll say these are the graphs of the particular sector. Whichever the sector is strong, it will show as a green, and whichever sector is weak, it will show as a red. But during that time, it's not live, right? It's like it's the status after the market close. But during that time, when I was taking the trade, that time I was seeing around 7 green graphs, and it also seems like market was through, market was going upwards in a one-way direction. Like for first half an hour, market was, if you see, uh, it took a one-way rally of 130 points. So it was like my market bias was a complete upside or a green side. So I'll take a bullish trade for sure. That I got. This is the logic I'm explaining. Be alert, be aware, because many people commented here कि भाई logic भी बताया करो. So this is the logic. This is very simple, basic logic, but I don't know why people are not getting it. But yeah, if you see on the first 30 minutes, market shows a very good up move, and that market shows a very good down move. So kind of all the buyers got trapped today, but as we have chosen a good sector, because it was like PSU Bank was on the top, and I have traded a stock from PSU Bank. If you see, PSU Bank is still in green, so we ended up at a profit of around 7,000. I'm again showing this, so I can show you this here. So if you see, this was the complete PNL fluctuations, whatever, the throughout the day my PNL was fluctuating, and we ended up at almost 7,000 of profit, 6,994, 7,000 of profit, 250 of brokerages. So it's come around a net of 6,700 rupees. So it's a good profit within like last 3 days. I think we have made around 6, 5, and 4, around 15 to 20,000, 15 to, not in between 15 to 20, but around 17, 16, 17,000, and within these 4 days, right? So this is how I have traded. Let me show you the logic or the place where I took the trade. I initiated a trade around the breakout of, so basically I've seen there was a huge, a huge selling was showing in Nifty. If you see, there was a huge selling, right, of 190 points. But if you see this stock, Bank of Baroda, was holding it up. It was not showing a very big down move or very big red candles and all. So I thought this will be the stock, I think, which we have to focus for today. And we have done this, and within like 15-20 minutes, bang, we got our targeted value, and even more than the targeted value. So I booked it. I think that's it for today. And if you want, so this is the live review basically for Tradefinder. And if you want, guys, this series has to be continued. You will get to learn something. Also, I'll tell you one thing. You can join my Telegram channel. I'm not doing anything, or I'm not sharing anything there. But yeah, you will keep up, you will, keep updated on this. So yeah, today I showed you this on day 3. This video is coming soon. And if you see, I post just my videos. Also, sometimes I would post the trades as well. Ki this trade I have taken this year and that. And anyways, you will get the more information. If you want to join, you can join. You will be updated. And I think, yeah, that's it. This is the algo. It works like on behalf of me. Basically, once I put the trade, execution will be done, handled, and risk management will be handled by algo only. And my work is only to select the best whatever the market is offering. So that's it. I think you have to like, comment, and subscribe if you want, guys. Ki I should upload these videos regularly on regular basis, because it takes so much of effort, and if I have to give so much of effort, then I have to be motivated with your comments or your love. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos.